Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody, depending on which part of the world you live in. Before my presentation, I would like to ask you this important question. Do you want to have another stream of income? If you are, then you are at the right place and at the right time. My name is Peter, and I'm going to show you the secret of creating wealth on social media. Before we jump into any wagon, let us research the proven market. Every day, more than 2 billion people are on social networks. Facebook alone has 1.4 billion users. Today, the number of users that are on the social media have already exceeded 2.18 billion. In 2016, it is going to hit 2.3 billion users, and by 2017, it is going to exceed 2.55 billion users. How about the e-commerce sales? In 2014, the e-commerce sales has exceeded $1.5 trillion, and it is expected to grow steadily in the next few years. Which of these social networks offer you parts of their revenue? What if they would have shared the wealth with you? How would that have impacted your life today? What if they could pay you $1 to $5 for everyone you referred? Do you think you would have referred more of your friends? Would you be more loyal to your particular network? Do you think a social network that offers all those would gain popularity and become one of the largest social networks in history? Of course it would. Now is your chance to share the wealth. It, a new and upcoming social network, is going to change the social network forever. Facebook is involved only on the first two markets, that is the social networking and online advertising. Alibaba is involved only in the last two markets, that is the affiliate, direct sales and e-commerce. It brings all the markets together, and it is going to be the next big thing. Are you aware that social commerce is becoming the next big thing? Today, e-commerce is big and has exceeded $1.5 trillion in sales. Social media is big and has exceeded 2 billion users worldwide. When e-commerce and social media convert into one, we call it social commerce. Social commerce is truly becoming the next big thing, and it can generate a lot of money for this industry. Today, I'm going to introduce to you a new and also the world's first social commerce that has more than 50,000 online retailers and more than 100 million products you can shop on. This social commerce is called IT, and it had already launched globally. When I say 50,000 online retailers means practically every item you need on a daily basis can be found here. All the largest and popular brands that you come to know and trust can also be found here. Before I continue to proceed with my presentation, I want you to sit back and watch this 2-minute video. In this video, you can get an idea of what social commerce is all about.
What if you had the opportunity to make money as you post and view pictures at your social networks? You know, like Facebook and Pinterest and the other unstoppable, addicting social networks that millions of people spend hours and hours on. Did you know that social networking sites have over 2 billion committed users worldwide? Well, if that isn't impressive enough, how about the growth of e-commerce? The e-commerce space went over $1.5 trillion in the last 12 months. So why all the statistics? Well, we want to invite you to a new social network that allows you to make money with it. Welcome to Leafit, a new social network where you can post pictures and get paid. When people purchase products and services as a result of your pictures, it pays you. Introducing Snap It, Tag It, Share It. Snap It. Take a picture of a product you think will sell. You can also grab and claim an image off the web or any device. Tag it. Describe and label the product in the picture with keywords. Share it. Post and watch your picture go to your connected social networks. Here's how Leafit pays you. As you share your picture, a friend says, "Wow, I love those running shoes." They then click the image link, and with just one more click, they can purchase the shoes. Once purchased, you will earn a commission. You snap it, tag it, share it, and it pays you. Yes, that's right. You made a commission and all you did is share a picture, just like you do on any other social network. Leafit is cutting edge and going viral now. You can become a free affiliate and earn money every time anybody, anytime, anywhere makes a purchase as a result of your photo. Imagine you snap it, tag it, and share it, and it goes viral. And somebody clicks the buy button. You earn a commission. Did I say viral? Well, it gets better. We know that Leafit is going to explode. Before it goes viral, position yourself in front of the wave. Take action now and join Leafit. Simply click the join button now to get started. You can't afford to wait. This is your chance to get positioned and harness the earning power of social media. It pays you. Join today.
In the recent Yahoo Finance news, it is mentioned that this concept is being actively pursued by giants such as Facebook and Google, and is seen as a significant part of their future revenue growth. But these companies wouldn't able to use Leafit methods since Leafit's underlying technologies and processes are patent pending. This is its social commerce. Over here, it works like Facebook, where you can create your fan page, invite friends, post your pictures and contents to let people notice you. You can make friends, follow your friends, and communicate with your friends. It is a social commerce platform and it stands high and superior against the rest of the social networks. It has a shop button here where it links to the 50,000 plus online retailers. When you click the shop here, in this social commerce platform, you can search for the items you want to buy. You can also search for the brands you want to buy, example Seiko watch. You also can search for the lowest price. If you click this watch, 6 offers will show. The same watch is sold by 6 online retailers offering different prices from the lowest price to the highest price. Supposing you like this watch and you click on this online retailer, it will bring you to the online retailer website. In this case, the online retailer is Rakuten.com. Once you purchase it, someone will earn the commission. Do you like to be in the position earning the commission when someone clicks and purchases the products you share on the social media? If you want, continue to sit back and watch the video. iGrow and Eat can operate just like any other social networks by hiring experts to market for them. They do not need us to market for them. But the founders of the companies, Lawrence Sowell, has a heart for every one of us, and he wants to give each one of us a business opportunity. There are 3 ways to participate in this social commerce game. 1. Become a free user. A free user is simply a social networker and an online shopper. 2. Become an iGrow free affiliate. You can be a free affiliate for life. A free affiliate can only earn 1 generation commission on all direct e-commerce sales. 3. Become an iGrow associate and be financially free for life. This is a paid membership of $50. Most people will want to know what value can one get out of the $50. The value you are going to get is far exceedingly huge. An associate can 1. Access to iGrow University. 2. Earn up to 9 generation commission of e-commerce sales. 3. Have a chance to be in the Founder 3000 Club. 4. Earn up to 6 types of referral income. In the iGrow University, you can study almost everything about internet marketing at your own pace and time. All the contents were organized and put up by the experts from the internet marketing industry. It is not cheap to study all these topics from an internet guru, and it can cost you $30,000 or more. With this learning from the iGrow University, the value is already far exceeded the value of $50 a month an iGrow associate pays. Now let us come to IT e-commerce sales commission. As an affiliate, you can only earn 1 generation sales commission from your direct affiliate or associate. As an associate, you can earn up to 9 generation sales commission from your direct or indirect affiliates or associates. Here, you are not paid in levels but in generations. Generations means an associate with a group of users. Example from this chart, You will earn first generation 10% e-commerce sales commission of A and his 3,000 users purchases. You will also earn second generation's 5% e-commerce sales commission of B and his 5,000 users purchases. You will also earn third generation's 5% e-commerce sales commission of C and his 3,000 user purchases, and so on until the 9th generation dip. Here is a sample of an e-commerce commission payout. This column shows the buyer's names. This column shows the retailers. This column shows the total commissions the retailer pays to it after every transaction. This column shows the commissions the business associate get, which is 10% of the total commission. When I was introduced to iGrow and Eat on January 2015, what got me extremely excited is the Founder 3000 Club, because as an exclusive member of the Founder 3000 Club, I can enjoy two very powerful benefits. The iGrow Founders 3000 Club is so exclusive that you wouldn't want to miss this chance to qualify for it. The Founder 3000 Club is for those who have achieved the company's requirements, and this club is for the first 3,000 qualified associates only. It will close once the 3,000 seats are filled. It is not difficult to qualify for the Founder 3000 Club. First, you sign up as an associate with iGrow, and then you personally sponsor 3 associates in your team. Here you are, you qualified for the Founder 3000 Club. Here are the 2 great benefits. First is the double payments on e-commerce sales commissions on all 9 generations, which means that while others associates are getting 10% e-commerce sales commissions, you as a Founder 3000 Club associate will get 20%, while others associates were getting 5% e-commerce sales commissions, and you as a Founder 3000 Club associate will get 10% all the way to the 9th generations forever. The second benefit is the equal share of all virus install pool application downloads. When iGrow and Eat launched the social commerce platform, and with the downloads apps ready, masses of people or free users are going to download the Eat applications and register for free. The company will not keep these users, and instead it will distribute equally to the 3,000 associates who have made it to the Founder 3000 Club. Supposing there are 30 million free users downloads after 1 year of launch, then each Founder 3000 Club associate can inherit 10,000 free users who can also be the online shoppers. We achieve freedom by helping others to achieve freedoms. After you have qualified for Founder 3000 Club, help your team members to qualify also. You create more wealth when more associates in your team qualify for the Founder 3000 Club. Before the 3,000 seats are filled, allow me to show you the big picture and the future income potential of having more Founder 3000 Clubs in your team. Don't just stop here. Help your team members also to qualify for the Founder 3000 Club. The more Founder 3000 Clubs you have in your team, the more wealth you are going to create. So, you achieve your freedom by helping others achieve their freedom. Here is a hypothetical example. Let's say I have 10 Founder 3000 Club associates in my team, including myself. Within my 9th generation in the iGrow compensation payout, I can also earn from all my Founder 3000 Club associates 10,000 free users e-commerce transactions. Here, you can see that I have 10 Founder 3000 Club associates in my team. Number of users given to each associate is 10,000. Therefore, I have 100,000 users in total. If this 100,000 users begin to shop on Eat 50,000 plus online retail stores, and let's say I receive a very conservative figures of $1 e-commerce sales commission from each user every month, then my monthly potential income can be $100,000 a month. What if they shop more and my e-commerce sales commissions from each user is $2? Then my commissions can be $200,000. What if it is $3? Then my commissions can be $300,000 or more. What if 90 million free users download the applications after the launch instead of 30 million? Then my potential incomes can be triple or more as shown here. This is the type of income potential I'm expecting. The beautiful part is that this is a permanent passive income and not a temporary passive income. Why this is a permanent passive income? Because the user will continue with their same shopping habits. They will continue to buy the stuff they have already been used to buying. Do you want to have this type of insane income? If your answer is yes, then take action right now and allow us to help you to achieve your goal. Don't wait. Sign up as an iGrow associate or upgrade to an associate status now. After you have qualified for the Founder 3000 Club, you and your 3 associates are required to maintain your iGrow Associate monthly memberships. Should you fall out of qualification, you have 30 days to re-qualify before your spot in the Founder 3000 Club is given to the next qualified iGrow Associate. iGrow has 2 types of commission payout. First is the e-commerce sales commission, which I had already shown it to you a moment ago. Second is the membership referral commissions. Total there are 6 streams of income. They are 1. Startup bonus, 2. Startup pool bonus, 3. Infinity startup bonus, 4. 3x9 expandable metric bonus, 5. Infinity leader bonus, 6. Monthly pool bonus. You can study these bonuses in detail from the company back office site. I hope you have enjoyed the presentation. At this point, how do you look at this business opportunity? Are you looking at the cost or are you looking at the value? When I was first introduced to iGrow, I look at the value because the value overwhelmed the $50 monthly membership fees I paid. Risk versus reward. Is $50 a month a small risk or big risk? To me, it's a small risk because I can see the huge reward right in front of me. Can you also see it? According to Mark, the founders of Facebook, he said, the biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that's changing really quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks. Where can you find a business that is built on 2 powerful pillars, the social medias and e-commerce, that has future potential and global reach, that costs you only $50 a month? Let's say you treat this as a business and you give yourself a time frame of 6 months to run it. It will cost you $300 in total. In life, everything we do, whether in business or relationships, it is about taking chances or risks. We must always have a contingency plan should unforeseen circumstances happen. And we need to ask ourselves this question: what could be the worst that can happen to you? The most you lose $300. Will the loss of $300 cause misery in your life? We also need to ask ourselves this question: can your life be better if you leave your $300 in your bank for 6 months? Your life can be changed forever starting from today. Don't let something as small as $50 stand in the way of changing your life forever.
创业的时候，我记得我请了24个朋友到我家里说，我准备做个事情叫 Internet。大家听了将近2个小时，没有人听懂我在说什么。最后说是投票表决，23个人反对，只有1个人说你去试试看。
Before Jack Ma founded Alibaba, he invited 24 friends to his house to discuss the business plan. After discussing for 2 hours, they were still confused and 23 out of 24 people told him to drop the ideas. When Jack Ma told them the business plan during those days, it was just an idea and was an empty shell. There was nothing to show them. Therefore, I cannot blame the 23 people for being myopic for telling Jack Ma to give up the idea. Today, if you are the one of the 23 people, do you think you regret? Now, what we are showing iGrow and it to you is already happening and is going to unwind before your eyes. To conclude my presentations, this is what I can say. Whether you are in or not, this is going to happen big. Do not procrastinate. Procrastination can cause you regret for life for not taking action. Sign up as an iGrow associate right now. Please ask yourself, where do you see yourself today? Joining us create wealth together or watching us create wealth? You have your choice. If you want to join us creating wealth together, take action right now by signing up as an iGrow associate at our business link as shown. If you are not ready yet, you can sign up as a free affiliate. Here you pay nothing and you still earn commission on 1 generation e-commerce sales. After you have signed up as an associate or affiliate, please contact me at the information as shown and I will send you the right information for you to have a good start in this business. Or you may just want to join us as an Eat Social user or shopper. Please sign up at our social network link. I am looking forward to have you come on board to our awesome iGrow family. So don't wait. Sign up right now and you can be on your road to financial and personal freedom. Thank you.